There is a lot of confusion regarding watering of plants at the right time. I come across many people who are confused as and when to water the plants. Watering is an important aspect of growing healthy plants, but at the same time, over and under watering can kill the plant. You can see 3 different plant pots on your screen. We are going to inspect the soil of all the 3 pots using finger technique and accordingly decide if they need water or not. When it comes to watering plants, you will come across 3 kinds of soil conditions. Either the plant's soil is completely wet, or plant's soil is little moist and sticky, or plant's soil is completely dried and slips down your hand. Now let's start and inspect our first pot on the left using our finger. I am going to dig my finger around 2 inches deep into the soil. Now as you can see that some of the soil has been stuck to my finger till my second knuckle, which means that the soil is totally wet and this plant doesn't need water at all. Now let's test the soil of our second pot with the same finger technique. As you can see, this soil is little sticky and moist, which means that it might need water in a day or 2. Let's just reconfirm it again by taking some soil in our hands. See, it's still moist. It's sticky and it's moist, so it might need water in a day or 2. Now let's inspect our third pot using the same finger technique. As you can see that the soil is completely dried and I cannot dig my finger into the soil. So I'm going to take some soil into my hand. See, it's so dried. It's just slipping down my hand, which means that this plant is in dire need of water. In the last, I would like to conclude my video by sharing a golden tip which you will generally not find in any gardening forum. The tip is that there are many experts who believe that in order to water the plants, you have to ensure that the top few inches of plant's soil has been completely dried. But unfortunately, this is not true, because sometimes it takes 10 to 15 days for plant's soil to get completely dried. Does this mean that you should not water your plants for 10 to 15 days? Absolutely not, because water has some essential nutrients and delay of 10 to 15 days will hamper their growth. A better idea is to follow a watering schedule for all your plants. For example, let's say on the first day you have deep watered your plant and on the 4th day you have found out that the soil is little moist. I will suggest you to water the plant at this point and wait for the result. Now, after the gap of 3 days, you should inspect your plant and see if it is doing fine and the soil is little moist like before. Water it again. In case you see any signs of overwatering like extremely wet soil and brown leaves of plant, which is a sign of overwatering, then you should increase the gap of watering days from every 3rd day to every 5th day. In this way, you will be able to make a schedule of watering your each plant and keep them hydrated and healthy. Thanks for watching.